You asked, how to divide 3468 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1156.